Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. It may help you. Now in this video I am going to share with you some of my memories of our departmental magazine aptly named Kaleidoscope. You know, Kaleidoscope, that instrument, you change the angle, you see a different pattern. So we always expected Kaleidoscope to represent colorful life of department as well as colorful life around in the society. So that was what we expected. When I got an opportunity to work with Kaleidoscope, because I was given charge of the student activities. We form the editorial board of Kaleidoscope, the departmental wall magazine. And then a meeting was called. In the meeting, the discussion was all about increasing the readership, what are the columns that we should have and all. See, whenever we organize an event, it is all about the number of footfalls. And if you have a magazine, maybe a departmental wall magazine, it is all about readership. So the entire discussion revolved around the readership, how to increase the readership. That time I was very much influenced by the newspapers, the quality newspapers, magazines, because that time I was reading around 3 newspapers every day. You know, so when the discussion about the readership started, various columns were discussed, whether we should have this column or that column. Then the discussion shifted to one particular column. That column was part of the Kaleidoscope and that was very popular. That was about the encrypted messages. So those messages used to be directed towards a particular person or group of persons. And those were very popular. But again, particularly about this column, there was some dissenting voices in the department also, because it was difficult for most to understand to whom the message was directed and what the message was, So because of that cryptic or the encoded message and a kind of obscurity, there was like some kind of dissent in the department. The discussion was also there in the department. So when the editorial board and I was there in the meeting when we started discussion about the readership, one particular suggestion was about that column, that if we want to increase the readership, we must increase such column, and the more columns should be there like this. Yes, and that was quite obvious, because if you want to increase readership, it is better to have popular columns. So that was the column of messages. So if more such columns are added, then maybe it will become popular. There will be more readership for the Kaleidoscope. But then I in fact intervened and I put across my point. As I just now shared with you, I was very much influenced by the quality newspaper, quality magazines I was reading that time. So I told them, let us follow the quality approach. Let us include high quality articles, maybe national, international, social. So let us focus more on the quality rather than on the readership. Again, the discussion was about, if we have such articles, who is going to read that? I said, absolutely fine. But then it is all about, I told them, now it is all about whether you want to go for the quality and try to change the taste of people, or whether you want to change your taste and go for the popularity. We have the choice, and obviously my suggestion is, let us go for the quality. Don't think about the readership. See, my idea wasn't like write something that nobody is going to read. No, that wasn't. You go for the quality, people will read. So just because to increase the readership, don't go with just the popular columns, which are difficult to decipher or most directed towards a particular person or a group of persons. So that was how the discussion started. So it was all about quality. Let us have the quality. Let us focus on the quality and not on the readership. Well, somehow I don't know why, but then maybe out of respect for teacher, or they were really convinced, but they accepted this. The column was dropped, and then the Kaleidoscope team worked really hard. Not just that year, for all the coming years. Kaleidoscope became hallmark of our department. The editorial teams came up with brilliant issues. 15th of August, Teachers Day, 26 Jan. So whenever there was any even cultural event, again the special issue would be there. I still remember in one cultural event there was competition of the departmental wall magazines, and in the competition the topic given was threats to India. Well, the Kaleidoscope came up with a brilliant issue. It was fantastic issue. It was appreciated by all the judges, and no wonder it got the first prize. So Kaleidoscope was all about working for quality, working for something unique. So those who work with Kaleidoscope, the editorial board, the editors, well, there was a kind of bonding among them, that emotional bonding that was formed, and those bonds survived even after passing out. So even today also, I am very much connected with some of the members of Kaleidoscope team, and whenever we have a discussion, they fondly remember, and they even talk about the Kaleidoscope. They inquire about Kaleidoscope. Now, such a bonding, such an emotional bonding was there. It was formed because they worked together for something really good, and I really appreciate. Occasionally, I also contributed, but the major contribution came from the editorial board, and they were brilliant. They wrote brilliant articles about the college environment, what's happening in the college, what's happening around, maybe even around Chandrapur or a national, international. So we tried our best to have variety of columns. Now, after so many years, it is worth visiting what I told them. Like, let us go for the quality rather than focusing on the readership. Readership will come by, but we must focus on the quality, not the popularity. That's what I said. I don't know whether I was absolutely right then, and they really accepted that. But I still feel that if you have a choice of whether to go for the quality or whether to adopt measures or something where it may not be of that quality, but it will increase the popularity, TRP, or the readership, I personally feel that we must go for the quality. We must try to change the taste of people. And there also lies one challenge. The challenge is you have something of quality to tell people. Now you should be able to tell that to the readers in a way that readers understand, readers like. So that is the challenge to creativity. No, this is what I can feel it today. But that time, that challenge or challenge to put across something of high quality with creativity, that wasn't there. But still, the idea of going for the quality, going for the excellence, rather than thinking in terms of how many people will read this, whether it will be popular, whether there will be more readership, I think that idea, I still believe in that idea. And I believe that if you are able to go with the quality material, if you are able to present it creatively, the people definitely will appreciate that. So after 20 years now, if today I'm giving the same opportunity to deal with the Kaleidoscope team, I don't know whether there will be a column like this, and that column I'll suggest that drop the column and go for the quality. Maybe I'll be handling that in a slightly different way, but I still believe in the idea. I'll still insist that go for the quality and not for the readership. The readership definitely will come by. So rather than thinking about the readership, think about the quality. Try to change the taste of people for good rather than changing our taste just for the sake of popularity. That this is the idea. There is one more idea that I'll be sharing with you, but for that you will have to watch my next video. In this video, this is the idea I have shared with you. Everybody will be definitely having a different opinion about this, whether I was absolutely wrong, because it was just the departmental magazine, whether I should have insisted on the quality, and the quality definition of quality, again, it is relative. My definition of quality was very much influenced by the quality newspapers and magazine I was reading that time. So whether those that criteria for the quality, whether I should whether I was right in applying those that criteria to the departmental magazine, that Kaleidoscope. Well, I don't know exactly whether how you look at this, but the core of the issue is the quality and the readership. Focus on something that is good rather than focusing on something that will fetch you readership. The challenge is to fetch the readership by presenting the quality in the correct way, in the fantastic way, in the creative way. So dear friends, thank you very much for watching this video. There is one more interesting memory I'll be sharing with you about the Kaleidoscope, but that will be in the next video. So if you like this video, just don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends, because it may help others also. So thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.